Hey, come along with us today. This is Bob with TLC. We're heading over a local job right here in Crofton, Maryland. We're going to install a custom drainage solution for our client. Come along with us. We're going to complete this in one day. We are underway here today in Crofton, Maryland, installing a brand new underground drainage system. We're using 2 collection boxes, connecting 2 downspouts, and a sump pump drain pipe into our 4-inch PVC drainage pipe that will carry it out to the street. There's a lot of roots and wires to work around, but it's no issue for TLC. We're used to this type of work. Getting started in the backyard, the guys are cutting and gluing the PVC together above ground, checking everything. Then we're going to link the sump pump downspout to the drainage system. When we connect our downspouts, you'll have access to clean them out ease in case they get clogged with any leaves from the roof, from the downspouts in the future. This job is really moving along. It'll be done and complete all in one day. I love these time lapses. They're satisfying to watch. Sometimes I think our crews really move that fast. Nearing the end now, the crew is going underneath the sidewalk up to the edge of the street where all the water will go now. We've gotten the yard put back together. We're testing the system. We test all our systems, and we're making all the final touches before we call it a day. One and done, all done in one day, complete drainage system. For all your drainage needs, give TLC a call, 410-721-2342, or hit the link below for more information about TLC's drainage solutions.